We're having only one chair and one so you were working, quite a few hours.
Back to back, and very soon I was solidly booked throughout the day, and people had, to a long wait list.
Acha, while you were doing this, did you ever think कि यार मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I want to be a bigger person. या at that point of time वो ambition नहीं आया था. It was just let's do it and make money. कि
No, it was never about money. It was never about money. In fact, when I was going to train, somebody told me, you don't need to work. You are married to a rich industrialist. And I was saying, I don't need to work. I want to work. So it was never about money. It was just about following a passion, something that I believed in, that I was gifted with, to recognize the talent and pursue it.
अच्छा, then what happened? जब आपका business बढ़ने लगा तो?
I started from my servants' quarter, and then I realized कि इसमें तो एक के बजाय मुझे 2 chairs चाहिए, मुझे एक assistant चाहिए, मुझे एक receptionist चाहिए. So I took the kitchen into the salon, and my 3rd bedroom I converted as a kitchen.
और नाम हमेशा से ये नबीला ही था?
Because I've never worked with anyone.
And at what point of time did you take a store? I mean, you decided to open up your own.
That was, I think, 6 to 7 years into the business, when I felt I was old enough, because I started very young. I was old enough to have like an independent area. Even then I didn't go commercial because I wasn't old enough to be on the main road. I think that happened almost 9-10 years into the business, when I felt comfortable.
अच्छा, while you were doing this, तो आपकी ट्रेनिंग का ये तो आपके उसमें है कि every year you've gone out and you've had different kinds of training. मुझे ये बताइए कि how much, I mean, you were one of the fortunate ones. Let's say कि you took a start, आपने अपना wedding set, diamond set, whatever, बेचकर चली गई. But there onwards, you decided to continue. How much of the creativity and the influence of the foreign hairdressers or stylists come in you? कि एक होता है ना कि नबीला has her own style. एक होता है she has an influence style. Did you get influenced by them, or did you learn from them and create your own?
I think the latter is true for me, because I train because I want to know, I want to be up to the minute. To be honest, there is not much that I can use trends wise in Pakistan, because fashions don't change here. I mean, they change at the speed of a snail, so trends don't change here. But I learn because I want to learn, not because you need the next haircut. But I need to be up to date with the West, and the fact that I have experience of the East and knowledge of the West is a great combination, and that's what creates magic.
And when you had your own salon, you had 2 or 3 people working with you, and you were supervising, or maybe you were cutting hair also, doing your styling work. I'm sorry, I don't want to call you a hair cutter, but you used to use what you had learned, the experience that you had gained from abroad, and use it here. And did that become a talk of the town? When did you start becoming popular? I mean, let's be honest. When did Nabila become really Nabila?
I don't know. To me, I'm still the same person. I mean,
you are the same person. You're a very humble and a nice person. But एक होता है ना कि now in every human being's work span, एक point आता है where you say कि यार I am now being recognized. When the press people come and start interviewing you, when the TV people start interviewing you, or people refer you to other people कि यार उसका वो show हो रहा है, तो वो stage कब आया? Because after that, I think you just
snowballed. I snowballed. Yeah, very soon, because I think एक पर्सनैलिटी थोड़ी सी क्रेजी थी, कुछ काम थोड़ा सा क्रेजी था, कुछ एटीट्यूड काफी बुरा था, एंड लोग आते थे कि नबीला पता नहीं कैसी होगी, क्या एज होगी, एंड दे वुड सम ऑफ माय क्लाइंट्स एक्चुअली रन अवे थिंकिंग ये तो बच्ची है, कैसे काटेगी मेरे बाल. तो it was there about me, and I think still is, for some reason. I'm not working actively on that, but somehow I create a lot of interest, and I'm always under the umbrella, क्या कहते हैं, microscope of people. But very soon into starting my business, I was being talked about.
Okay. अब वो store popular हुई, Nabila started getting popular. You could have stopped there. But then all of a sudden, you started working with the corporations, you started making images for people, ये मैंने वो, musicians and the anchors and this and that. तो वो फेज जो है वो कब आया? आई मीन व्हेन डिड यू थिंक, डिड दे अप्रोच यू, डिड यू अप्रोच देम, और यू थॉट अबाउट इट एंड यू सेड, oh my God, here's an opportunity, I need to encash it?
I think I've kept my antennas up, and the fact that I keep going for more education is because I started with, let's say if I started with hair, then I went into chemical work, hair coloring, hair textures, hair perming, etc. Then I didn't stop at that. I went into makeup. Then I went into styling. Then I went into image consultancy. Then I went into teachers training for hair.
Ek minute. When you say image consultancy, what do you mean?
To reinvent a person. To reinvent a person's image from head to toe.
यार मुझे एक मिनट भाई, this is very interesting. How do you convince a person like, let's say, Ali Zafar, who's very popular, कि Mr. Ali Zafar, your hairdo looks like crap, and if you do this, यानी मेरा, I'll tell you my personal experience, and this is an educative program basically. अगर मेरा जो हेयर कटर है या स्टाइलिस्ट है whatever, वो मुझसे कहे कि नानजी साहब यूं नहीं यूं, मैं कहूंगा पागल मत बनो, जो मैं कह रहा हूं वो करो. So was it difficult to convince people कि यार अगर तुम यूं करो तो ये जरा बेहतर लगेगा?
बिल्कुल. I think बहुत important आपने चीज कही है, because that has been the paradigm shift that I brought about. कि अगर आप डेंटिस्ट के पास जा रहे हैं तो आप डेंटिस्ट को क्या कहेंगे कि जैसे मैं कहता हूं वैसे करो, या मुझे जिस चीज की जरूरत है मुझे बताओ मैं करूंगा. ठीक है, तो हेयर एक्सपर्ट बनने के लिए मुझे आपको नहीं, मुझे अपने आप को चेंज करना पड़ा. And therefore the education and the credibility and consistency. अब 25 साल में देखें मेरा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड, I have always delivered. So because I have delivered, Ali Zafar will come to me and say, Nabila, how am I looking? How can I look for the next ad? And he will listen to what I will say, because hopefully I will have given him results consistently.
तो this image building of individuals, VJs and actors or whatever, वो पहले स्टेज आया कि डिलक्स अवार्ड पहले आया?
नहीं, देखिए पहले the only place where success comes before work is the dictionary. ठीक है, I mean कि पहले आपको दिखाना पड़ता है रिजल्ट, वर्क करना पड़ता है, फिर आपको सक्सेस आती है. ठीक है, so I had to first invest in myself, learn, practice, give results, and then say कि there is an opportunity. I can do the same for your red carpet. I can do the same for all your anchors. I can change the image of this industry. I can change the image of this spokesperson, this musician, this DJ.
जो वीडियोस देखे हैं और वो हम दिखाएंगे भी हमारे ऑडियंस को, तो उसमें तो बाप रे बाप, I mean that's a massive show. How long does it take you to do such a massive show?
Months. Every time Lux Awards happened, or the Music Award happened, or I've recently done a rock and folk show, etc. Because I'm so particular about the image, whoever is being seen from head to toe is my name at stake. So you know, I'm sleepless. I suffer physically when I do one of these shows because I'm so serious about it.
Basically, what I want to ask you is कि अब you know कि there are going to be 30 artists. अब आपने सबके फोटोग्राफ लिए,